So there's the tile. Even the color of walls, it's good to my taste. The tile is okay. There's a different one here, but it's not too much of a mismatch. Kitchen. Okay, we're back in the family room, and then there's the bedroom down here. Okay, no light. So that's just a toilet and a sink. This is entrance to the garage and washer and dryer, and there's something cut out here. I'll make a picture afterwards. There's a bedroom downstairs with the door to the pool, and then this is shower, bath, 2 sinks, closet, I know it's dark, toilet, and then additional linen. Okay, so that's the downstairs. And that's the upstairs. Shower with the bathtub. Another bedroom with walk-in closet. There's some stain, but it feels dry. Okay, and another bedroom. So that's it. This is just another linen closet.